What's up guys, Lynn here with a DIY kit for you all. This is from the Japan Crate, July. This is called water candy. So this one is a pretty simple one. We'll just go through this right quick. And if you get Japan Crate, I'll leave a link in the description for a code that you can use to get up to $5 off of your I'm sorry, Tokyo Treat, guys. I'm so sorry. It's late. Anyway, if you would like to try Tokyo Treat box, I will leave a link in the description so you can get up to $5 off of your first box. I had Japan Crate on the brain. These packets feel so soft. And it's so gooey. Okay, this, y'all know I like squishy stuff. So anyway, here's your little spoon spudger thing and your 3 little packs. So what it says to do first is to take the blue packet and put the blue packet in here. Is there like notches or something to rip this? I don't see, guys. Is there notches to rip this? I don't know. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to use my teeth. Let's see. Is that enough? Was that enough to make a dent? No, it was not. They make these suckers hard to get in. Alright, so here we go. Blue packet. It looks so thick, y'all. Like, this looks super thick. Alright, so let's... That way y'all can see it. Uh-oh. This is like super thick. Y'all remember those, what are they called? Those, little candy, the little, what are they? Those little, what are they? Those little, ooh, that is real sweet. Now pour in the yellow packet. Okay. It was in the, oh, now my fingers are sticky. This is a messy kit, y'all. Like, this stuff is hella hard to get into. And it's so sticky. Alright. So the yellow one is not as thick as the blue one. But it's just as sticky. Alright. And then after this one, it says to pour the red packet and then just mix them all up. Oh my God, my fingers are hella sticky. And I got that sticky stuff all over my phone. Y'all see, look at how sticky, how gooey this is. Oh my gosh. My hands are so sticky. This is my first DIY kit, by the way, from my first Tokyo Treat box. I'll leave a card above if you want to watch the video. I did it live. So if you want to catch my live Tokyo Treat boxes, get a shout out. Stop through, leave a comment. All right, this is it, guys. This is so, look at this. It's like honey. It's so sticky. All right, let me see if I can get that in here. This is a hot mess. This is a hot mess. Okay, now it says something about it's supposed to change colors. And this is called water candy. So yeah, this is real simple. So let's look at how thick that is. All right, so let's try this. It's so stringy, y'all. It's stringy. Yeah. It tastes like those little tubes. You remember them tubes that you squeeze the stuff out of and it was thick like this and you just eat it out of the tube? That's exactly what it tastes like. That real thick liquid that come like in like a big old toothpaste type thing that you squeeze the liquid out of the big old, you know. And look, there's a string. There's a string. Anyway, this stuff is messy. I gotta clean this up. So yeah, that's been water candy DIY kit. Hella messy. But yeah, again, I'll leave a card above so you can watch the Tokyo Treat unboxing. And again, if you want to save up to $5 off of a Tokyo Treat, if this is something you would like to try, be sure to use that link down below. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Take care, be safe, love one another, and we'll see you all later. Peace.